design and analysis of algorithm. Here we will understand what is algorithm, characteristics of an algorithm, real life example, difference between algorithm and program, and steps in problem solving. So basically, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a finite sequence of instructions used to solve a particular problem. So finite sequence of instructions means particular set of sequence or steps which we performs to solve a particular problem. So there are different characteristics of algorithm. So different characteristics include finite number of steps, no ambiguity, input can be 0 or more, output should be at least 1, must terminate after finite time, should solve a problem effectively, and steps should be precise and clear. So here the first point is finite number of steps. An algorithm should contain a finite number of steps. After that, that is definiteness. Definiteness means no ambiguity. There should be no ambiguity in a algorithm. For let us take an example, real time example. If I said a word, I am a Jawan, this means there are two meanings of in the statement. I am a Jawan means I am a soldier, or it may consider a second meaning, that is I am and. So here the ambiguity is defined, means it has two meanings. So in our algorithm characteristics, it defines that there should be no ambiguity. So the algorithm should not contain two meanings. After that, input. Input means our algorithm should contain at least 0 or more than one input, and output. Next characteristics is output. An algorithm should contain at least one output. After that, it should solve a problem. Then if the performance should be computational, and termination is finite time. After that, the effectiveness of algorithm. The algorithm should be crucial, plays a crucial role. So the effectiveness of that algorithm should be defined first, described preciously. Each and every step should be defined properly and clearly. Let's just take a real-time example. So here, if I want to make a coffee and I don't know how to make a coffee, so for that I firstly have to define the steps to make a coffee. Here, there are two different algorithms, which is one is completed and one is incompleted. So here in this example, in making a coffee, I have written 5 steps, that is add a milk into a vessel, add coffee powder, add sugar, mix it and serve and drink. And in the second algorithm, which is completed, which is for making a tea, here I have added 5 steps, that is add a milk into a vessel, add tea powder, add sugar, heat and boil and serve and drink. So both the algorithms are different. In first algorithm, there is a missing of crucial heating step, and in second, the precise and effective algorithm we have made. So here, add a milk into a vessel. The first step is crucial, but the vessel is not precisely defined, because to make a coffee I have to use a kettle. So this is an incomplete algorithm, but compared to second algorithm, here we have used heat and boil. So here heat and boil is a precise and effective. It is making the algorithm precise and effective. So both the algorithms are totally different. One is missing with a crucial heating step, and another is having a precise and effective algorithm. So now let us understand the difference between algorithm and a program. So the difference between the algorithm and program is that we are using algorithm to design the solution. We are using algorithm to design a solution, and we are using program for the actual implementation. In algorithm, there is no need of language, but in programming language, we have to use some specific language to design that, to implement that program. Basically, in algorithm, we don't have to use any programming problem solving techniques for like syntaxes, etc. But in program, we have to use specific syntaxes to execute that program. In algorithm, there is no need of hardware and software independence, but in program, hardware and software independence is required, and primarily used for analysis, and program is primarily used for testing of error. So here we says that algorithm is used for analysis, not for implementation. So this is the basic difference between program and algorithm. Now let us see the steps for problem solving. So these are the different steps for solving a problem. First is defining the problem. Here we will understand the issue. As I already explained one example of making a coffee and making a tea. At a crucial step, I was unable to make a coffee. That is understanding the problem. After that, we will design the algorithm. After that, we will design the algorithm. Designing the algorithm is a stepwise solution to make a coffee. After that, we will analyze that algorithm. If it is efficient in time and space complexity, we will implement that. As we have seen earlier in the math here, making a coffee and making a tea. Making a coffee was incomplete algorithm, so it was not completely and to implement. But if we will see this making a tea algorithm, it is a completely implemented algorithm, so that its time and space complexity is okay. As we have use here a precise effective algorithm, that is heat and boil, and heat and boil is missing in coffee, but it is present in tea. So this is a analysis of algorithm. After analyzing that algorithm, we will implement that, and implementation is nothing but coding for the solution. After implementation, we will test and debug. If errors are found, we will fix that error, and it will go for again maintenance or update. This is all about the algorithm, basic of algorithm, and how to analyze the algorithm, characteristics of the algorithm, and how to solve a problem basically in algorithm. So in a conclusion, I will say that algorithms are step by step procedure used to solve a problem effectively. So it will help in designing, optimizing, and effectively solution for complex computational challenges. Thank you.